Hi, and welcome to How to Write a Proper Comment tutorial. We're going to start first by going to a task. As you can see, we've been working on this task and are about to finish for the day. Before we end our timer, we need to leave a comment to let everyone know what progress has been made. At Arctic Leaf Incorporated, we have a standard on how a comment should be left. A good comment should cover these 5 points. Explain what was done, explain what needs to be done, tag the appropriate recipient, determine if the comment is internal and set it up appropriately, and determine who needs to be notified. Comments to avoid are comments that don't give context, are vague, are tagged inappropriately, and notifies people inappropriately. Let's see how this is done. Notice how the developer barely explained what needed to be done and provided no context. This designer forgot to tag either the account manager or the client. He also didn't explain what the difference in the links are. And here, the QA gave no context of what needs to be done, tagged no one, and provided no context of how they accomplished this. Also, this is a public comment. Using words like broke, tried, and can't can make a client lose faith that their project is being handled by a competent team. It is also very difficult for an account manager to skim through these comments to figure out what the status of their project is and how to effectively communicate this to a client. Let's try this again. In this developer's comment, everyone knows what was done, what needs to be done, who should accomplish this, and where they can find it. Notice that this designer tagged all involved and notified their superior that this update was made. The designer provided context and options while also asking the client for any suggestions to move forward. The account manager can easily look to see what the next steps are here. And here, the QA showed what they did and what happened, and provided the link to where this happened, and tagged and notified their superiors, while also making sure that the client doesn't see this issue. So there you have it, the appropriate way to leave a comment. We know that not all comments require the same type of information, but if you stick to these rules when they apply, you make it easy for yourself, your coworkers, and everyone else. Otherwise,
you're gonna have a bad time.
Thanks for watching.